application of rate of interest in compound interest problems. Application of rate of interest in compound interest problems. Application of rate of interest in compound interest problems. Now, key point. Please listen carefully, sir. Key point. There is an initial value, there is a change, and there is a final value. Initial value, change, and a final value. Initial value, if it is cost price and there is a percentage increase, change will be profit. Final value will be selling price. Final value will be selling price. Final value is initial value plus change. Selling price is cost price plus profit. On this cost price, if the change is the loss, selling price will be cost price minus loss. Are you all with me? So this is SP equivalent to, you don't need to write it, just for your understanding I am explaining. SP is CP minus loss. Here it is SP equivalent to CP plus profit. CP plus profit. How initial value, change, and final value behaves. Initial value, if it is a markup, if it is market price on the product, and my friend came, I gave a discount and I sold it at a discounted rate. So selling price equivalent to market price minus a discount. Selling price equivalent to market price minus a discount. Another way. Next one. Suppose I went to a shop. There is a price marked on the product. There is something else which is markup. Let us first design markup. I went and bought a product that is cost price. There is no label on that product. I created my own label and I kept the market price. MP equivalent to CP plus markup. MP equivalent to CP plus markup. CP plus markup. The same thing in compound interest. Initial value, change, and a final value. Initial value, it is principal. Initial value, it is principal. Change, it is interest. Final value, it is amount. Final value, it is amount. Amount is given by principal plus interest. I hope you understood it. Everything related to initial value, final value, and change. Everything in a single slide. Only thing is, if it is percentage increase, final value is change plus initial value. Change plus initial value. If it is percentage decrease, it is final value equivalent to initial value minus change. I hope it is clear. Whatever we discussed right now for profit, loss, and discount, the same thing can also be discussed for compound interest. We will do more and more problems, then it will be extremely clear to you. Initial value is the sum took. Sum which I took is called the principal. Sum which I took is called the principal. How much money which I paid extra? How much money which I paid extra? That is called the interest. Final value is called the amount. I hope this slide is very, very clear to you. Kindly reply if it is perfectly clear with you. We are entering into another topic. Application of rate of interest. Application of rate of interest in compound interest problems. Application of rate of interest in compound interest problems. Listen carefully, sir. First problem. Principal equivalent to 1500 or percentage equivalent to 20%. N equivalent to 2 years. Amount equivalent to how much? Compound interest equivalent to how much? Principal is 1500. R percentage is 20%. N is 2 years. Amount is how much and compound interest extra how much? Same idea. 20% it is 1 by 5. First year 5, there is an increase of 1 on 5, which is 6. Second year, same rate of interest, 1 on 5, 5 became 6. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. Initial value, it is the principal. Final value, it is the amount. Change, it is 11. Change, it is 11. But 25 is becoming 1500. If 25 is becoming 1500, it is into 60. 36 into 60, it is 2160. 11 into 60, it is 660. How easily you can determine amount and compound interest because of these concept. Nothing I did, just a basic understanding of the concept. R percentage is 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. 5 1 increase 6. Second year, 5 1 increase 6. One event is happening after another event. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. Initial value, this is the principal. Final value, this is the amount. Change, it is compound interest. 25 is becoming 1500 into 60. 36 into 60, 2160. 11 into 60, it is 660. Idea clear? We will do more and more examples. Then you will understand it better. Second one. R percentage equivalent to 14.2857%. 14.28%. Compound interest for 2 years, it is 60. Find the amount and find the principal. Change is given. Initial value and final value we have to determine. R percentage is 14.2857. CI for 2 years is 60. Amount and principal. 14.2857. It is 1 by 7. It is 1 by 7. 7, 1 increase, it is 8. Again for second year, 7, 1 increase, it is 8. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. What is extra? It is 15. 15 is becoming 60. It is into 4. So principal is 49 into 4. Amount is 64 into 4. Such an easy way to solve without even doing it. Amount principal is 196. Amount is 256. Amount is 256. Very, very easy way to solve. Slowly we will do the variations. Slowly we will do the variations. 14 point, that is the reason we discussed this one. 14.2857, it is 1 by 7. 7 1 increase 8. 7 1 increase 8. 49 is becoming 64. Extra 15. 15 is becoming 60. It is into 4. 49 into 4 and 64 into 4. 196 and 256. Second question based on change. Third question. Rate of interests are different. 16.67%. R2 percentage. 14.2857%. Amount is 2,400. Find the principal and find the compound interest. First rate of interest is 16.67. Second rate of interest is 14.2857. Amount is 2,400. P is how much and CI is how much? 16.67. 1 by 6. 14.2857. 1 by 7. This is 1 by 6. 6 1 increase 7. 7 1 increase 8. If 6 is becoming 8, final amount is becoming 2,400. 8 into 300. Principal will become 6 into 300. 800. CI will become 600. CI will become 600. I hope the idea it is clear. Rate of interest are different. We took a question where the principal is given. We took a question where the amount is given. We took a question where CI is given. Fourth question. R percentage equivalent to 20 percentage. Time period is 1 year 6 months. Time period it is 1 year 6 months. Time period it is 1 year 6 months. Time period 1 year 6 months. Amount is, these are all very, very easy questions, sir. 1331. Find the principal and find the compound interest. Lot of people will use unnecessarily formulas. You don't need any formula. These are all very easy questions. R is 20 percentage, time period 1 year 6 months. Amount is 1331. Amount is 1331. 1 year 6 months. 1 year means first year totally 12 months I have to take. Second year only 6 months I have to take. Only 6 months I need to take. 12 months plus 6 months. Rate of interest is given for 12 months. 1 by 5, it is for 12 months. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, it is for 12 months. I want for 6 months. 6 months means half it will become. In the second year, only for 6 months I have to take. First year it is full. First year full. 5 is becoming 6. In the second year, 6 months we have to take. 10 is becoming 11. 50 is becoming 66. So this will become 225s are 233s are. Are you all with me? 33 is becoming 1331. 25 will become 25 into 1331 by 33. 11 121s are 11 3s are. CI will become 8 into 1331 by 33. 8 into 1331 by 33. I hope the idea it is clear. No usage of any formula. For 1 year total 12 months it is 20 percentage which is 1 by 5. 12 months it is 1 by 5. 6 months will be half of 1 by 5 which is 1 by 10. First year it is 1 by 5. 5 is becoming 6. Second year 10 is becoming 11. 5 10s are 50. 6 11s are 66. 50 is becoming 66. 25 is becoming 33. Instead of 33, it is given as 1331. So multiplication factor will be 1331 by 33. 1331 by 33. Very, very easy question. Fifth one. R percentage is given by 25 percentage. Time period is given by 1 year 4 months. Time period is given by 1 year 4 months. 1 year 4 months. Principal is given by 600. Find the amount and find the compound interest. Find the amount and find the compound interest. R percentage is 25 percentage. Time period 1 year 4 months. Principal is 600. Amount how much and CI how much? Listen carefully. 1 year it is 12 months. For 12 months it is 25 percentage, which is 1 by 4. For 4 months it will be 1/3 of 12. 1/3 of 1 by 4 is 1 by 12. Very easy. If you convert it, you will get the answer. So 4 is becoming 5. 4 1 increase 5. 12 is increasing by 1, 13. This is for 1 year, 4 months. 4 12s are 48. 5 13s are 65. 48 and 65. Extra it is 17. It is 600. So 48 ones are 48, 120. 120 means how much it will be? 120, 48 twos are 12.5. So amount will be 65 into 12.5. CI will be 17 into 12.5. Any doubt in this? Please ask me. Any doubt in this? Please ask me. Very, very easy way to solve, sir. Very simple way to understand compound interest problems from a percentage increase concept. Kindly reply with yes if it is clear. You got a doubt? Ask me. Any doubts are there? Everybody, I hope it is clear. Next one. Question. Which of the following gives better rate of interest? Which of the following gives better rate of interest? Better rate of interest. Which of the following gives better rate of interest? 20% yearly. 20% half yearly. Half yearly. 20% quarterly. Which one will give better rate of interest? Which of the following gives better rate of interest? 20% yearly, 20% half yearly, 20% quarterly. Yearly, it is 12 months. Half yearly means 1 by 2 into 12, which is 6 months. Quarterly, it is 1 by 4 into 12, which is 3 months. If 20% is calculated quarterly, what will be rate of interest? If 20% is calculated half yearly, what will be the rate of interest? If 20% is calculated yearly, out of this, which one will give better rate of interest? Very, very easy. Most of the students will think it is a difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. 20% is 1 by 5. On 5, 1 increase 6. So total after 1 year, it will be effective rate of interest per entire year, it is 20. 20% half yearly. 20% is 1 by 5. Half yearly. 12 months it is 20%. 6 months it is half of 1 by 10. That means 6 months it is compounded half yearly. Half yearly means, see here, instead of doing 20% yearly, I did 20% compounding 6 months. That means how many times I did? Twice I will do. For every 6 months I will do compounding. Twice I will do. So 20% for 6 months will become 1 by 10. So this will become 10 is becoming 11 after 6 months. Again after 6 months, 10 is becoming 11. So 100 is becoming 121. If 100 is becoming 121, what is the effective rate of interest? 21%. Are you all with me? What is the effective rate of interest? 21%. Instead of giving, see, it is like saying that instead of giving 20 rupees at the end of the year, I decided to give it in 4 installments, because quarterly is 1 by 4 into 12. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. That means totally how many times I will meet him? Totally how many times I will meet him? 20% is 1 by 5. Totally it is for 12 months. I want for 3 months. 1 by 20. So 20 is becoming 21. 20 is becoming 21. 20 will become 21. 20 will become 21. 21. So if you see here, this is 8,000 and 21 power 4. 21 power 4. The change, try to calculate it. Change, try to calculate. I think if it is greater than this value, answer will be C. If it is less than this value, answer will be B. I hope the idea it is clear. I will explain this question again. There are 3 scenarios. I took 100 rupees from my friend. I have to give him, I decided to give him 20 rupees as an interest at the end of the year. As an interest at the end of the year, I decided to give. He said, don't give me after 1 year, meet me after 6 months. Meet me after 6 months. 20% is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 half yearly, it is 1 by 10. After 6 months, these 20% became 1 by 10. 10 became 11. Again for 6 months, 10 became 11. So he wantedly said this statement because in this statement he is getting 20 rupees extra. But if the customer agrees, he is getting 1 rupee extra. Similarly, C will be greater than B if you calculate this one. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Very, very simple concepts. Please do not use any formulae unless and until it is required. R percentage, it is, see here sir, R percentage, 20%, time period, it is 1 year 73 days, time period it is 1 year 73 days, principal it is 1200, amount how much, and compound interest how much. Amount how much and compound interest how much? This is the question. Most of you are not very good in fundamentals. They think that it is some advanced level question. If nothing is given, it is a non-leap year. That means 365 days. It is 20%, which is 1 by 5. But I want 73 days. It is 1/5. 1/5 of 1 by 5, 1 by 25. First 1 year, 5 is becoming 6. Second year, I don't require 365 days. I require 73 days. It is 25 became 26. 125 became 156. 125 is becoming 1200. 125, 8s are 1000, 8s are 1 point something I will get, 80 something. Or you take it as 2000 by 125. Amount will become 156 into 1200 by 125. CI will become 31 into 1200 by 125. I hope the idea it is very, very clear. Anybody got any doubt in changing the fractions depending on the question? Kindly ask me. You can take 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. That also I will take Supraja. Wait for, still we are at the foundation next level. Idea clear, right? Everybody has understood the concept. Next one. Next one. See here. Next one. For example, suppose if I go by P equivalent to 360. R1 equivalent to 20 percentage, R2 equivalent to 16.67 percentage, R3 equivalent to 14.2857 percentage. Find the amount. Slowly we will try to go beyond 2 years. P is 360, R1 is 20, R2 is 16.67, R3 is 14.2857. Same logic. It is 1 by 5. It is 1 by 6. It is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 5 is becoming 1 increase 6. 6 is becoming 1 increase 7. 7 is becoming 1 increase 8. 6, 6, 7, 7 cancel. 5 is becoming 8. 5 has to become 360. It is into 72. Amount will become 8 into 72. Beyond 2 years also the same process. 5 is becoming 6. 6 is becoming 7. 7 is becoming 8. 6, 6 cancel. 7, 7 cancel. 5 is becoming 8. 5 has to become 360. 572s are 360. 8 into 72. Answer for this question is 8 into 72. Now what is the drawback with this concept? Let us see. What is the drawback with this concept? Let us see. Question. R1 percentage equivalent to 25 percentage. CI for second year. CI for second year. It is 12. Find the amount and find the principal. R1 percentage is 25 percentage. CI for second year, it is 12. Find amount and find principal. The method what we discussed right now, if you observe carefully, 25 percentage is 1 by 4. 4 1 increase 5. Second year also 4 1 increase 5. 16 has become 25. What is this total? 9. 9 is the compound interest for 2 years. 9 is the compound interest for 2 years. 9 is the compound interest for 2 years. But what is the question given? What is the question given? Compound interest for second year it is given. If I use this method, what I will get? Total compound interest for 2 years I will get. Total compound interest for 2 years I will get. But I require compound interest only for a particular year. So that is the drawback of this method. I hope you have understood the concept. This is the drawback of this concept. This is the drawback of this concept. It cannot help us in finding amount and principal if I take a particular year interest is given. Compound interest for a second year. For a particular year if it is given, then an amount and principal it will be tough to solve.